Hi, magandang araw sa inyo mga kuchikays at kuchikays. As you can see, I have a new deck of cards. Actually, I have oracle cards and new tarot decks. And ayun nga, medyo na busy tayo from this past few weeks. And ang daming nangyari, ang daming nagdadaan, ang daming kailangan na gawin at maraming nangyari. Yun. So, ang tagal kong nawala sa limelight, no, for doing such readings for everyone. So ito tayo ngayon. We will be using the Seasons of the Witch Samhain Oracle cards or deck of cards, no? So let's see what will be the message from the universe as of the moment as we continue to embark our journey on doing tarot card readings or oracle messages for everyone. Okay, take what only resonates with you guys and do not take what is not resonating to your life situation. So let's see here kung ano nga ba ang magiging mensahe sa atin ng oracle deck na ito. Bagong-bago yan mga kuchikoys at mga kuchikays kung collectives, no? Let's see what will be the message from our universe using this card. And tingnan natin kung ano nga ba ang ibibigay sa atin, no? Na mensahe as we continue with the messages from the universe. Okay, let's pick it up. Tingnan natin. Okay. All right. It says here, nature spirits. No? On your toes, twirl until you're ready to take flight. They arrive in the winds beneath your wings and speak through the swaying of the trees. So, medyo malalim yung message na to with the nature spirits. All you need to do is to really intertwined with yourself, no? Maging magpag-persevere or maging matyaga, no? Sa lahat ng mga gagawin and be ready nga to uh, take flight. Ibig sabihin nito, kung kailangan mong lumipad at gawin ang mga bagay na gusto mo sa buhay, ay may mararating ka as long as na ikaw mismo sa sarili mo ay gusto mong um, makuha yung success, no, in life. So on this kind of situation, meron naman mga tutulong sa atin or mag-guide sa atin with this kind of message with the nature spirits. So sa inyo na rin ang pinakang kasagutan kung kayo ay tutulungan nyo rin ang inyong mga sarili, mga kuchikoys at mga kuchikays, regarding sa mensahe na binibigay sa atin ng ating universe at ng ating nature, for us to be able to continue and move forward sa mga nais at gusto nating gawin sa buhay. So ito yung message sa atin ng universe as of the moment. Yun lamang mga kuchikoys at kuchikays. Maraming salamat.